Now, all bars will be required to hire COVID-19 liaison officers to ensure revelers observe health protocols meant to curb the spread of the virus. The establishments will also be responsible for issuing guidelines on the number of customers in their premises according to new regulations released today by the Ministry of Trade and Industrialization. The measures are aimed at curbing loss of businesses and jobs in the subsector that is one of the hardest hit by COVID-19 restrictions.
The rate of joblessness doubled in 6 months from April to October as firms closed down in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The latest Kenya Economic Update by the World Bank recorded that the unemployment rate rose to 10.4%, up from 5.2% in the first 3 months of the year. To help stop the hemorrhage, the government has issued refined standard operating procedures aimed at safeguarding the sectors against job losses and business closures. The updated edition contains guidelines for the Alcoholic Beverages Sector, as also the only change from the previous edition. Under the new guidelines, all bars will be required to hire COVID-19 liaison officers to ensure that customers observe protocols meant to curb the spread of the disease in the facilities. The officers will restrict the number of revelers allowed into a premise based on the Health Ministry guidelines and report any suspected case of COVID-19 infections among staff and drinkers under the regulations that are yet to be gazetted. In a statement, a Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Betty Minor said businesses are to lead through COVID-19 by managing risks in operations. As the country moves into the festive season and the potential for successful vaccines, there are high expectations. The release of the updated guidelines come at a time when economic issues continue being a source of discontent as people grapple with surviving an uncertain season. Alan Alco, Channel 1 Business.